All right, Shelly.
Oh no!
You ready for spring cleaning? Project clean out?
No.
What's your lady? Mary Kondo or whatever her name is? Marie Kondo? We got to get ready.
Go show your drawers and everyone will believe in Mary Kondo.
I'm working on it. So I'm starting in the closet. I'm going to start cleaning that out. And then figure out what we're going to do for the Obsessed Garage sale. Coming to a Obsessed Garage near you. February 16th. I'm going to sell a bunch of stuff. You ready for this? Shelly, we don't need Shelly's junky crap at these things.
Yeah, junky stuff.
We gotta go in the attic. We gotta. This is gonna be a rough day. Are you ready for this? Maddie's getting motivated. I've been laying on the couch all day. Yeah, we got some other projects to do too. So I'm gonna start in the closet. And I'll bring you along here. This will be my promo video for the Obsessed Garage sale. To clean out all this crap that I've got. I mean, all these wonderful gems that you're gonna want to buy. Otherwise, I'm gonna throw it away. So, I've already started on shoes. Got to get this down to just enough shoes to survive. Uh-oh, Shelly's full hoarder mode's kicking in. She's like picking through my pile of stuff.
I like to sleep in the gray ones.
Yeah. Well, then I don't want it showing up on my side. You better keep that under control.
Oh, your fancy shoes with the signing.
So I'm rifling through. Got this all cleaned out. That's Mike's shirt. He's coming to get that. Got my hats thinned out. I'm getting all new Obsessed Garage hats because mine are jacked up. Super dirty. So, underwear drawer. Sock drawer. I mean, it sort of looked like this. A lot of these are pants and stuff. I feel like I just did this not long ago. I'm an expert at throwing stuff away. And shorts, mountain bike shorts drawer. And then the other, whatever you call those shorts.
Did you at least give me credit for folding them? Or did you say you did it?
I didn't do it. Shelly did that to my drawer.
That looks
good job. Is this a sad day, Shelly? I've already thinned these out a couple of times.
When's the last time you wore a tie?
I don't like those thin ones, the newer looking, thinner fingers. It's been a while. And these are a lot of expensive ties. Going bye-bye. I'll keep a couple of them.
Are you selling them or giving them?
We'll just give them to, I don't know, give them to the church. I don't think anybody's going to want these. Actually, these guys, some guys might want. Alright, I've actually condensed my t-shirts from this area, so we always pile our crap in the corner, and so what we're going to do is get some sort of, what do you call that, laundry basket, because it's getting real up in here. This is big.
I'll get rid of one shirt.
Shelly's a hoarder in disguise, right, Shelly?
I have hoarder tendencies.
Yeah, but like in comparison to regular people, you're like pretty organized. But
thank you. Well, I got a color code.
In comparison to me, you're a slacker.
Yeah.
The suits and shirts. It's hard to, you know, I didn't want to let these go because they're so darn. I mean, some of these are like really expensive. So I'm gonna clean these out and narrow it down to just a couple. All right. So rifle through suits. Rifle through all of this. So that's all the documents we keep. Nice, clean, organized. What do you think, Shelly? We're getting in deep here. So this whole thing is about to transform. Lots of stuff on here that I need to get rid of. Alright, we're making some progress. Throwing some more stuff away. Shelly's sifting through all her memories. I'm starting to put a pile together of the for sale stuff. What are you thinking, Shelly? How you doing? Give me a status update. Katie Bell's wanting a friend.
Mommy.
What, baby?
Put this in my hair.
What is that?
Yeah, JoJo.
All right, we're already Nintendo's sold. We're already doing we're doing deals. The pile's getting bigger. Katie Bell, what is that?
Here, it's right here.
The suits can live on at Merrill Lynch.
Yeah, suits are gone. My suits are down to just this much.
I'm gonna send them pictures like 5 years from now.
I'm working through this. Oh, we're making some serious progress. All right, I'm getting there. We got this trash. We got these organized. Here's our pile. I don't know what those books are, but those need to go in garbage. And then I've got all kinds of computer gear. This is just the beginning. Clean, 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 clean. Got room for the cameras. Got a battery shelf. Empty shelf. So I've got a little necessary cable shelf. Headphones, I've limited down to one set of headphones since I only use one. And yeah, we're doing good. GoPro shelf, GoPro memory cards, larger compact flash cards are in here, flashes, lenses. I've got to take that iPad to get repaired. It's basically a brand new iPad, but the screen stopped working. So we're looking sharp here. I'm liking it. And then I gotta get the vacuum out, but we cleaned out back there. Got my hanger game strong, all the hangers organized by type and color. I'm charging up some batteries here. And then my Peak Design backpacks, my low pro, whatever you call those things. Got all the files organized, home stuff organized, house plans up top. Dry cleaning, limited my suits down to that many, and I got some extra hangers here. So here's what we ditched, and then here's outside of those books there. Here's the start of the camera and AV gear, and now we're going to go up to the attic. Okay, garbage pile is piling up. So here's what our attic looks like. It's giant area, you know, little luggage, another air handler, and then boom. We've actually organized this once not too long ago. So Shelly's got all this Hoarders home goods business going on here that we're doing okay. 17 baby doll houses, that's good. Get rid of those. Those aren't going to be at the Obsessed Garage sale.
Hey, someone will want this from Obsessed Garage. They all put their detailing supplies on it. It's true.
Got some speakers, so I'm sifting through all this stuff. Got a Vizio 50-inch to get rid of. You got a lot of gear to sift through here.
So much better.
I'm about done.
No.
Got some random dirt here for some reason. I hit my head. Got this all cleaned up over here. This really didn't take long. Sifted through all this stuff. Got all my stuff sitting there organized. That's just, you know, a lot of the small electronic stuff I'll use and sell. There's the larger electronic stuff, subwoofers and stuff like that. So some lights and just random stuff. So we got this, you know, relatively organized, back to even. So I got to take this downstairs as well to get prepped for the garage sale. Alright, next home project is mounting my old Ely hose reel. Michelle's been dying for this thing forever. So I'm going to put this thing here, and this should just be a basic block wall that we're mounting to right on the Hardy there. So here's our stash for now. And I got to run to Home Depot to get some longer screws for the hose reel, and then the Saturday project is done. Alright, there's our setup. The darn inlet hose is too long and looking a little funky, but it's what I got here. It's what we got to work with, so I just kind of tied it up a little bit. But it looks good. You know, as good as it can look in this spot. It would look a lot better if I was able to mount it on the side here, but it'll be more useful here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a 75-foot 5/8. This isn't the hose that I now sell. This is the 3/4 inch, same style that, you know, the Contitech, the better quality industrial grade hose. So anyway, I'm going to do a 5/8 inch. This is a 3/4 inch 75-foot hose. So I'm going to go to a 5/8. So we have some stainless washers, Tapcons. I ended up needing a 4.5 inch, 4.5 inch by 1/4 inch Tapcon. So project checked off the list. I'm going to put I'll probably put all new hardware on here. So I'm going to get her an Ely nozzle for the end of this, and then we'll be able to quick disconnect into the Karcher K1700 that she'll have out here to mess with stuff. So So there you go, nice little project. So that'll wrap up our little Saturday organization, getting ready for OGHQ's open house slash garage, obsessed garage sale. It kind of has a unique ring to it. Maybe I should do lots of garage sales with a lot of junk. This one's gonna have a lot of good stuff. So it'll be many years. This is many years of accumulating. Broken my 2-month rule on a lot of these things because a lot of it's too nice to just throw away. So the 16th, we'll probably do a YouTube live video on the 15th, and then on the 16th is when we'll have an open house and we can come hang out. You don't have to buy stuff, but I'm gonna have tons of pressure washers and TVs and electronics and hose reels and hose parts and all kinds of, you know, Prevost prototype stuff, all kinds of stuff. You'll see. I'll be sharing it. So we'll probably do a live for those who aren't in town. We can get this stuff out of my hands. M3 parts, probably some Porsche parts, some audio equipment, all kinds of stuff. So anyway, this wraps up today's little Saturday project. I'll probably do more of this stuff in the future where I'm bringing you along with my day-to-day stuff and what I'm up to, and getting my house organized and reorganized again. I've been doing this since the beginning of time, but I'll be sharing more of these little projects with you as time goes on. So anyway, thanks for coming along with me on this one, and as always, stay tuned for more crazy. I gotta go double check the color coding of my shirts, make sure it's correct. Catch you soon. What happens when the force pulls you back, your foot naturally comes off the gas. You have to keep your foot to the floor.